have Juju with the Arizona Humane Society right here with a little friend who needs a good home, right?
Yes, this is Sam Mitch, and he's 10 years old. He's a sweetheart. He's really quiet and calm and loves to be held, loves to sit in your lap. You can tell he's really sweet.
Yeah.
So he is actually available for adoption at this time. And our team was called out to the scene for abandonment for him, for this little guy. For his owners left him there on the scene without proper shelter, water, food. So,
unfortunate situation.
Very, very unfortunate. The animals can certainly die very quickly, especially a little guy like this. So I'm really thankful that we found him and were able to save his life out there.
Well, we also have another special guest here. This is Jemima, who is a detective with the Phoenix Police Department, and you really concentrate on these animal cruelty cases. Is that right?
That is correct.
So kind of tell us, I mean, a lot of folks, you see animals outside, how do you know if the animal is going through abuse?
The things to look for: does the animal have access to suitable water, shelter from the sun and the elements, as well as do they look adequately nourished, or do they have injuries? All owners are required by Arizona laws and local ordinances to provide suitable water, shelter, food, and medical treatment if the animal needs medical treatment.
Go on, what were you going to say?
Oh, I was going to say...
Well, who should somebody call if they see this?
Oh, you should call the Arizona Humane Society or your local police department to report this. Even if you're not sure, it never hurts to call, because we can go out and investigate, and if just a little education needs to occur, we can do that.
I was going to say, a lot of folks, I'd imagine that it's like, when do you call? Because you're not sure. So even if you maybe think, it's best to call.
Right. And that's where the collaboration between the Arizona Humane Society and the Phoenix Police Department comes in. We work very closely with their field investigators, and they will call us when they see something that rises to perhaps a criminal level. But other than that, they do a lot of education, which we really encourage, because people to be with their pets and continue keeping their pets, but just in appropriate conditions.
Yeah, I'd imagine this is something to really watch out for, especially now because we're getting into the hot season, the hot weather.
Very
yes,
crucial.
Yeah. We want to avoid leaving our pets in a vehicle, particularly in the summer, or tethering them outside when it's over 100 degrees. Phoenix passed an ordinance that prohibits you from tethering your animal outside if it's over 100 degrees out, and I encourage pet owners to take that into account this summer.
Okay, so if somebody wants this guy really quick, what do they need to do?
Oh, they can call the Arizona Humane Society, or they can visit him at our South Mountain location. He's actually up for adoption this time.
He is ready for a new home, Dan.